in this life, you don't know everything, and you're not that great to think that you do know everything. This thing called life, it's a game. This thing is serious. It's got a game-like quality to it. And if you don't see that, you better open your eyes. The moves that we're making allow you to do more, to get more, to see more, travel more, explore, experience. It's got a real game-like quality to it. And that doesn't mean that you play with it. It means that you can do what you put your mind to. And if you continue to put your mind to it, the game opens up new levels. You get a new level, and each new level that gets opened up, you're able to adapt a different mindset and a different approach. You can stop at that level, or you can go, I want more levels. You got one life, and that one life, the goal for us is to live it to the best of our ability from the beginning to what's said the end. In the beginning, middle, you're gonna do things, you're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna fuck up. You're supposed to learn and then move forward with the understanding of what not to do. You done made mistakes. You can't rebuild and correct the things that you've done. You can't go back and redo. You can't try to keep going backwards. Perfection doesn't exist. There's a payoff for bad eventually. There's a payoff. It can't be bad, but for so long. If you got the strength and the understanding to realize that, shit will change. It will change. Anything in life will eventually turn good. The game of life. Don't be afraid to try or just experience what those options are and find your comfort space. There is no rule to what you want to do for you. Enjoy your life, but there should be a give and take. There's a balance. You should definitely be happy. You should definitely do the things that you enjoy. Because like I said, when you're playing the game, be happy while you're playing it. Having the mindset to literally gamble on yourself, do what you want to do. And so many people are afraid of rejection or failure, but without failure, you have no success. Learning and knowledge is power. It hits you at a different time. And when it does, be excited about it. We're all writing a book. Your life is a book. What's your book look like? You got a bunch of chapters in your book, but when they close that book, how good was the book? How good was your book? What was the ending to your book? All of the things that can be associated with you and your existence become a part of the chapters in your book. It's the story. Without the stories, what do you talk about? What is the interesting side of conversation about your growth? We all are great. We all should think that we're great. There's no reason for you to not think that you're great. If you don't think you're great, ask yourself why. Why don't you think the highest of yourself?